Hello, Jose here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problems and issues with your Evernote app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search up, check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So first way, go to the settings, go to the apps, see all, finder, find your Evernote app, permissions, and just allow all not allowed, like here. After this, go back here, mobile data and the Wi-Fi, unrestricted data usage. After this should be alright, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall the app, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.